Our next presentation is for the Elders Primary Wool Individual World Wool Handling Championship plate. And to make this presentation, please welcome Stuart Chapman from Elders. Pleasure to have you here, Stuart.
Thank you, Craig, and once again a pleasure for us to be involved in such a fantastic event. Congratulations to the organisers, congratulations to all the overseas competitors. What we've seen last night and this morning has been absolutely fantastic, so well done to everyone.
In first place, to receive $150, points 171, representing Nui, Kate Tudavaha. How's that feel, Kate?
It's awesome. Thanks to everyone that's here today. It's wicked. Cheers.
Second place, and I know this is going to be popular, his points 190, representing the land of the rising sun from Japan, Sean Norsey. Third place, congratulate Hilary Bond from England. And in fourth place, from South Africa, Elna Kitchen. So give Kate a big hand, ladies and gentlemen, along with her fellow finalists. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.
Oh, thank you, Craig, and certainly exciting to see these plate finals take place. And boy, you can just feel the tension as they get up there, and there's almost tears in their eyes as they represent their countries to receive their prizes. Coming up, we have the Golden Shears Blade Shearing Final.